How to make these cute origami hearts, the original quick way and the way I like to do it to make it look a wee bit better. So starting with the original way, and once you get the hang of this, you'll be making them in like under a minute. They're super easy. I've started with a square, any size, but just for reference mine is 12 centimetres. Normal paper's perfect, but I've just ran out of pinks. Okay, so you're going to fold it in half to get guidelines along the diagonals. And then from there, we're going to take one of the corners and fold it up to meet the centre. And then take the opposite corner and fold it up to meet the other fold, and use like your line in the paper just to help you meet perfect in the middle. Fold the sides up, again use the lines to help you get the centre. Do the same at the other side so that they're meeting in the middle. If you don't meet perfect in the middle, it will just look a little bit squint. Almost done already, just fold over the two tops. Don't stress about how much, just do a wee fold and try and do the other one about the same size. And then I've just tried to fold the other, like the sides in about that same size too. And you're done. I've seen people attach these to cards and write notes in the middle because you can like unfold them, whereas I've just added a little bit of glue and sat them under something heavy just to keep them together. Okay, and then the other way that I like to do it, so you'll notice when you do this the original way that you can see the lines going down the heart, which is fine, like it is paper folding, but the lines are only really a guide just to show us the middle. So I grabbed my scoring stylus and I just lightly scored across the diagonals so that I could use that as a guide instead of like folding it, because then it meant that like it didn't go all the way through to the other side. And then when I got to this point, I did need to kind of extend the line on again. But other than that, you just do the rest totally as normal, but you get like the heart without the lines going down the middle. Let me know if you try this and if it helps.